Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to fix Snapchat device ban iPhone. If your iPhone has been device banned from Snapchat, then there are several steps you can take to try and resolve this issue. A device ban means the Snapchat has identified your device and restricted access to the service due to violations of the terms of service or community guidelines. So, first thing first, go to any web browser and search for the snapchatsupport.com. Then simply tap on the first option available there. After this, tap on the My Account is Compromised option available inside the Snapchat support. So after you tap on it, you will get to see a list of problems or issues you might have encountered in Snapchat. Simply tap on the My Account was blocked or My phone was blocked from Snapchat option available there. So after you checkbox it, you'll be navigated to fill up your account information. Now, all you have to do is provide detailed information, include details such as your username, email address, and a clear explanation of why you believe the ban should be lifted. Now, after this, you should be able to address the device ban on your iPhone and regain the access of Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.